Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome again to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss the sum of the series in arithmetic progression and geometric progression using calculator technique in Canon 789 SGA. We already have the video tutorial for the n term in arithmetic progression and geometric progression using calculator technique. I will just put the link in the description. These are the key steps for the sum of arithmetic progression using calculator technique. You can just take a picture of it and we will follow these steps as we solve some examples. For arithmetic progression, press mode 3-2, enter the needed values, press CA, press apps, then select reg, then select the location of A and save to memory A. Next, press apps again, select the location of B, and save to memory B. Next, press mode 1, press apps, select summation, and enter the equation A, that is from memory A, plus B, memory B, and multiplied by variable X with the required limits. Then here are the key steps for sum of geometric progression using calculator technique. Press mode 36, enter the needed values, press CA, press apps, select reg, then select the location of A and save to memory A again. Next, press apps, select the location of B and save to memory B. Then press mode 1, press apps, select summation, then enter A times B raised to X with the required limits. Let us try this example. Given the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, and so on, find the sum of the first 5 terms. So let us press mode 3-2, then enter the first 2 terms. For X, this is the n term, so we will put first and second. Then go to column Y. For X equals 1, this is the first term, the value is 2. For X equals 2, this is the second term, the value is 5. Then press CA, press apps, select reg or regression, then select the location of A. So in this case, press 1, then equal sign. Save to memory A. So this is shift RCL to store in memory A. Next, press apps again. Select the location of B or select reg. Then select the location of B. Press equal sign and save to memory B. So this is shift RCL and memory B. Next, press mode 1, press apps, and select the summation, which is 2. Then enter the equation A. So this is memory A. So we have to put RCL or recall A plus recall B and alpha x. Then the required limit is the first 5 terms. So this is 1 up to 5. Then press equal sign. So the answer is 40, letter A. Another example, given the arithmetic sequence 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on, find the sum of the first 10 terms. So this is arithmetic sequence. Therefore, mode 3, 2. Then enter 1 and 2. Two terms only. Then in column Y, enter 10 and 15. Press CA. Press apps. Then select regression. Select the location of A. Then press equal sign. Store to memory A. Shift RCL A. Next, press apps. Then regression. Select the memory location for B or select the location of B. That is 2. Then press equal sign and save to memory B. Shift RCL B. Next, press mode 1, apps, select the summation, then enter A. So this is recall A plus B, recall B times X. So alpha X. Then put the limit 1 to 10. Press equal sign. So the answer is 325 and this is letter B. Let us now try some examples in geometric sequence. Given the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on, find the sum of the first 5 terms. So since this is geometric sequence or geometric progression, press mode 3, 6. Then for column X, enter 1 and 2. For column Y, enter 3 and 6. So you just need to enter 2 pairs or 2 values only. Then press CA, apps, select reg, select the location of A, press equal sign, and save to memory A. Then press apps again, select reg, select the location of B, press equal sign, and save or store to memory B. Next is press mode 1, apps, then select the summation, and enter the equation AB raised to X. Then put the limits 1 to 5 because this is first 5 terms. Press equal sign and the answer is 93. This is letter C. And for our last example, given the geometric sequence 40, 20, 10, and so on, find the sum of the first 6 terms. So press mode 3, 6, then enter 1 and 2 in column X, then in column Y, 40, and 20. Press CA, then apps, reg, select A, press equal sign, and store to memory A. Then apps, reg, select B, equal sign, and store to memory B. Next is mode 1, then apps, summation, and enter the equation AB raised to x. For the limits, this is 1 to 6. And press equal sign. And the answer is 315 over 4 or 78.75. And this is letter B. Thank you once again for visiting our channel. You can leave a comment and please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you all.